Use an Equinox card.
I don't have an Equinox card.
Damn it!
Equinox, bro.
Equinox, bro. Equinox, bro. I mean, it's basically a salvage car.
It is. I mean, have you seen the roof?
Zach asked why there was a beehive growing on the roof. See something funny? No! Let's go. Are those your meds?
Will, are those yours?
Those are mine. What is that?
Dude!
Yeah.
Will, you just hit your own car.
Get it? Put it back. Oh my. Wait, where was he? You're an asshole.
They wrap these Satin Black. Seriously, I swear to God.
I don't know if I trust you wrapping it because you might flake on me like you did last night.
Last night?
You went to go eat and then you never came back on.
Yeah, I passed that.
Guys, if you play Call of Duty, make sure you get teammates that don't flake on you. Dustin, have you given any more consideration to join my team?
Coronavirus. So what's the deal with coronavirus right now? They were freaking out over the weekend.
Everyone's freaking out for no reason. Buy masks and stuff. I don't see anyone wearing them though in the streets.
They were all made in China.
Oh my god. 720S made more power than you need, and now it's making even more power than you need.
Oh.
Look at that wing!
It looks like your car, but it has more vents now.
It looks like my car, but it comes standard with Vorshiner Silverstone parts.
Really? It's actually Vorshiner?
No, I'm kidding.
Oh.
But I'm just saying it's very similar.
Like, it has a cool lip spoiler.
Yeah.
Has cool vents on the fender, which I like.
The Vorshiner had the vents on the fenders. My guess is 500,000.
So right now we're in the process of chrome deleting this red Model 3, so all the chrome you guys see, turning it into this satin black. So we already have the window trims done. We're working the door handles and then the other side of the car. When do you stop letting people know that you went to Astroworld?
Never, dude. Travis for life.
I'm not a fanboy.
He doesn't even know you exist.
He doesn't know you exist.
I'm not the one wearing floating letters on my shirt. They are clearly floating. You were stupid enough to buy that shirt.
Bought this at the concert. Bought it for 40 bucks when I can sell it for 140.
It's not worth anything now that you've worn it.
You're trash.
It looks like a little kid wrote on that shirt.
Stop being a wanker.
Hey guys, want to know how I got this Lamborghini? Follow my step-by-step marketing video and like, comment, and subscribe now to see your latest episode of Team EVS. Oh, turn this off.
Check out this Model 3 that we did. We actually modded this Model 3 way before we started doing the vlogging. I want to show you guys this because it's a really cool build and we're actually adding to it. As you guys can see, we did chrome delete on the car, so all the chrome trim is now matte black. So it's really sporty looking. We also Clearbra the full front end and we tinted all the windows. And the most unique part, of course, are the wheels. So these are Vorshiner 20-inch VFF 109s in carbon graphite. This is one of my favorite spoke designs for the Model 3. Super clean 10-spoke wheel. We're actually going to be installing the full Vorshiner Volta kit for this Model 3. This will be the first Model 3 that we've done that's black with the Volta kit. So I'm really excited to see how that looks.
So check this out. This car has like literally everything. Like if you actually watch the review, like on like what people have been doing, what Christian von Koenigsegg has been saying.
I like how you just like run over his name.
These wheels are carbon. They're like 21, 22-inch carbon wheels. No one's done that. Like what manufacturer do you know has done 21, 22-inch full carbon wheels?
Day 4.
4 days later.
Sean, we don't have to do that. It really has been 4 days later.
I started yesterday.
Yo, you like to exaggerate. You're like my girlfriend. You like to exaggerate things.
Don't call Raul your girlfriend. He's your boyfriend.
Hell yeah.
Your ex-boyfriend.
Hell nah! You'll take something so simple and so small and you'll just make it into the biggest thing ever. Wait. You hear that?
Nobody cares. We have a Tesla Model X in today. Of course, another Tesla. We're doing photo sync of all the windows, including the front windshield. Yo, summer's coming, guys. It's starting to get hot now. It's starting to feel kind of humid. Deep Talks with EVS Motors. All right, Dustin, I got something for you. If you could be Nicolas Cage in National Treasures and steal any historical artifact, what would you steal?
That's a good question.
Hey, wait, there's one answer. It's the Declaration of Independence.
Declaration of Independence. Did you say the decoration?
Why would you want to steal that? Well, that's what Nicolas Cage does in the movie.
All right, Dustin, what's it gonna be?
I'm guessing Ark of the Covenant would be good.
What the hell is that? The actual Ark?
No, not Noah's Ark.
Lakewood Church, non-reading the Bible ad.
You need Jesus, bro.
Alright guys, so we're done with the Tesla Model 3, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with the chrome delete. Normally I would show you guys this outside, but I don't get to tell, but it's raining, it's gloomy outside. So I'm doing it in here. Red Tesla Model 3 with a satin black chrome delete. So everything that was chrome, we got rid of. Fender badges, the mirrors, the windows, and of course the door handles. And of course, like EVS fashion, we always do the end caps on the window trims. That way when the doors are open, you still don't see any chrome showing. But wait, there's more. We also wrapped the center console here in brushed gloss black, so it looks really good. Brushed gloss black is definitely my favorite vinyl for the interior for the center console. It just looks really sophisticated with the brushed lines and everything, but it's still black, so you know it's not like in your face. It looks modern, sophisticated. And of course we even did this interior piece here. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thanks so much for watching. If we want to work on cars, hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Click up here for a video recommend just for you, down here for a news video, and up here to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.
Should find a new catchphrase, Haywood.
What do you think I should say then?
Catch me on the flip flop.